Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Girl on Guitar. Which week is going on? And we have you, Ivana Hernandez. You wish for Declan McKenna's The Key to Life on Earth. So, first time I heard this song is because of you, Ivana. So thank you for interacting with me here on Girl on Guitar. Hope you will enjoy this, and you McKenna fans out there, I think there are some. So, the Key to Life on Earth is pretty simple to play. We have one chord progression that goes at least, I would say, like 70% of the song. So that's nice. And with the capo set on first fret, we have the best scenario, easiest chords possible. So let's take a look at this one. So put the capo on, and we're gonna go over the 6 chords needed for this one. So starting with G. This is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord is D, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. A next, so A goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. E minor, and that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have 2 more chords left, and they are bar chords. So we're gonna start with B minor. You bar on second fret 5 strings from bottom up like this, so you don't have to bar the last E string. So 5 strings there, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's the B minor, and the F sharp minor is the last chord. You stay with the bar finger on second fret. This time you need to bar all strings, all right? And then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And there you have your F sharp minor and all the chords needed. So 6 chords: G, D, A, E minor, B minor, and F sharp minor. All right, so we're gonna look at the strumming pattern now. And we're gonna have some tweak on it in the end of the chord progression I talked about. That is very common in the song. But anyway, the standard is down, down, clap, down. We're gonna illustrate that with the G chord, since that is the first chord here in the song. So grab the G, and one string around will be like this. Okay, so down, down, clap, down. Two downs, one clap, and one down. So down, down, clap, down. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. And the song goes a little bit faster than that in tempo. But anyway, we're gonna start to look at the intro, and that is actually the chord progression I talk about that is used a lot in this song, and also in the verse and in the chorus as well. So we're gonna play G 2 string rounds, 2 full string rounds, then D 2 full string rounds, then A 2 full string rounds, and then in the end there we have the split. The little tweak I talked about as well with the strumming. So you're gonna play E minor, and you're gonna play the down, down, clap. You stop there, and then you switch quickly to B minor and play the last down that you didn't play in E minor after the clap. So the B minor borrows that down, plus plays an extra full round of down, down, clap, down. So for E minor, it will be down, down, clap, and then quickly to B minor, 3 downs. Down, 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 clap, down. That is because the rhythm changes a little bit there in the end. So that is the end of the chord progression. So G 2 string rounds, D 2 string rounds, A 2 string rounds, E minor, down, down, clap, B minor, down, 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 clap, down. I'm gonna take down the tempo so you understand what I'm meaning, and I'm gonna play one round for you like this. And a couple of rounds in tempo goes like this. And that is the intro. You're gonna play that for a round, and then starts the first verse, all right? So you're gonna continue with this same chord progression, but that's not the full verse, but you're gonna play this full chord progression here for 2 rounds. That's the starting point in the first verse. So G2, D2, A2, E minor down, down, clap, and B minor 1 down plus 1 full round. Play that portion for 2 rounds. Then it continues with E minor, 2 full strumming rounds, B minor, 2 full strumming rounds, and now comes the F sharp minor, 2 full strumming rounds, and E minor, 2 full strumming rounds. And then it goes G2, B minor 2, D2, and A2. All right, so a lot of chords there, but yeah, you have 2 full strumming rounds. After this main chord progression that I talked about now, we learned already, you have 2 strumming rounds per chord. The first half of it will be E minor, B minor, F sharp minor, E. Then the second half will be G, B minor, D, and A. Okay, so the verse goes with 2 rounds of the standard chord progression we have, and then I'm gonna play the rest for you. So it will be E minor, B minor, F sharp, and E minor, G, B minor, D, and A. You play for only this 1 round, and that ends the first verse. All right, so we go into the first chorus, and guess what? You're gonna play in the same way as you play the intro or the starting point of the verse, the famous chord progression G2, D2, A2, E minor down, down, clap, and B minor 1 down plus 1 full round. You're gonna play that chord progression for 4 rounds. And that's it for the first chorus. Then comes the instrumental part. Again, we're gonna play the intro play, the famous chord progression there, for 2 rounds. And that ends the first round of everything. The second round now is almost the same. We have the first verse, we played this chord progression, and we're gonna do that again in the second verse, but this time you're gonna play it for 4 rounds, not only 2, but 4 rounds of G, D, A, E minor, and B minor. And then it continues with the other chord progression we learned still in the second verse with E minor, B minor, F sharp, E minor, G, B minor, D, and A, in the same way for only 1 round. That is the second verse. The second chorus goes in the exact same way as the first one, no changes there. And then comes the instrumental part again with the same intro play for 2 rounds. So you understand by now, we have that chord progression, it's rolling pretty much in the song. After this, the second instrumental part, we have a bridge part, and we are now about 3 minutes and 7 seconds into the song. And guess what? We're gonna play the intro play again for 4 rounds. And that's not it. After this 4 rounds of intro play, we are into the outro. You've finished the bridge parts. We're into the final parts of the song, and you're just gonna continue the intro play, 4 chord progression rounds, and that's the end of Declan McKenna's The Key to Life on Earth. All right, so Ivana Hernandez, hope you are satisfied with this tutorial. It's pretty easy actually. If you practice these 5 chords, then of course you need to throw in the F sharp minor, but if you nail these 5 chords and that kind of strumming, you are pretty much there with this song here. So good luck with this one. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I will really appreciate if you can do that, and all the other guys who watch this tutorial helps me a lot to give you motivation to go on here with the Gordon guitar. So thank you so much for your support, guys, and until next time, play tuned.